Hi, this is Dan Smith. Welcome to DPS Legal Counsel's daily business tip for small business owners. Today's business tip is for those small business owners who are just getting started and are in the process of selecting a name for their company or their business. Here's the tip. Don't pick a very vanilla generic name for your business. There are at least two good reasons not to do that. Number one, if you're planning on selling goods and services and want to get a trademark for your goods and services for your business, if your business name is merely descriptive or just has your surname in it like Jones Plumbing, you're not going to be able to get a trademark, because if your trademark is merely descriptive of your business, it's going to get turned down. What you need is a fanciful or arbitrary name. Fanciful just basically means that it has nothing to do, it's a made-up word, such as famous examples, Kodak, Exxon, that type of thing. That's a fanciful name. So if you can come up with a fanciful name for your business, great. The other great way to produce a name for your business that's not going to cause a problem with trademarks is an arbitrary name. That's a word for your business that has a real meaning in English, such as Apple, but it has nothing to do with what that word is in English. So you have Apple Computer, or you have Apple Records, or you have Sun Records. These are words that have a real meaning, but the meaning is arbitrary with respect to the business and what's being offered. So I would suggest getting either a fanciful name or an arbitrary name for your business. It's going to make it a lot easier for you to get a trademark for your business. That's tip number one. Now, I said there were two reasons. That's the first reason, trademarks. The second reason is when you go to apply for your employer identification number, which you'll need to do for your business with the Internal Revenue Service, if your name is just like a lot of other businesses in the country with that, there are lots of businesses with that name, then it's going to be more time consuming for you to get an employer ID number. Typically, you can go online, get your employer ID number, and have it in a matter of minutes. But if your name of your business is like a lot of other businesses, that can be delayed, and it could be days at least before you get your employer identification number. So two reasons that you want to get a name that's not like every other name for your business, either a fanciful or arbitrary name, something that's not merely descriptive and something that's not like everything else. Two reasons. One is it's going to make it a lot easier for you to get a trademark for your business for selling your goods and services. Number two, it's going to allow you to get your employer ID number much easier. And there's actually a third reason. I'll throw this in as a bonus. If you go and you pick a name that's like every other name, you may run into a situation where someone else is already using that name, and they may come back at you and say you're infringing on their trademark if they actually have one. So that's the tip. Get a fanciful name or an arbitrary name, not like anybody else's, and it helps to do a little search, trademark search, if you're interested in trademarks, to make sure before you start investing a lot of money in your business, producing your goods and services, to do a search on the front end so that you don't have to go back afterwards and change your business name or change your trademark because someone else already has it. So that's today's daily tip for small business owners. I hope this helps. Give me a call if I can be of any assistance to you. Thanks, and have a great day. See you next time.